Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help explain why your Facebook videos might not be playing. First, let's start with some basic checks. Make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough to stream content. Next, verify that your Facebook application or web browser is fully updated to its most recent version. Finally, a simple restart of your device can often resolve many common software glitches, getting you back to watching videos in no time. If the initial steps didn't work, let's dive deeper into app and browser-specific solutions. Clearing the cache and data for your Facebook app or web browser can often fix playback issues by removing corrupted temporary files. Also, temporarily disable any browser extensions or virtual private networks, as these can sometimes interfere with video loading. Trying a different browser or even another device can help pinpoint if the problem is specific to your current setup. Now, let's consider your device and its software. Ensure your device's operating system is completely up to date, as older versions might have compatibility issues. Also, confirm you have sufficient storage space available. A full device can impact app performance. If videos are still struggling, try adjusting the video quality settings within Facebook to a lower resolution, such as 360 pixels, which requires less bandwidth and processing power. If you've tried everything else and videos are still not playing, it might be time for some more advanced steps. Consider completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the Facebook application. This can resolve deeply rooted software conflicts. If the problem persists, report the issue directly to Facebook's support team, providing as much detail as possible. Finally, remember that sometimes the video itself might be corrupted, removed, or restricted by its uploader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.